Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to convert a YouTube video to MP3. So first, on your browser, open YouTube. Then using the search bar, let's try background music for videos. Now you have to choose what you would like to convert to MP3. For example is this one. So just click on its link above, then copy. Next is to open this link to another tab. Make sure that this is under MP3 since they also have MP4. Then paste your copied link. Now you have to click download. Just wait till the download time is over. Once done, open your files on your computer, then you will see the downloaded file. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.